Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Um, Today I'm gonna be playing Surf, and so I'm gonna mean. And so far I only have Jake. I have his normal outfit and the dark outfit, and I'm one hat away from Tricky. But I'm gonna go with Jake. Select and just begin. And I am really good at this game. I love games like this. I don't know why. I'm really good at them. Like Minion Rush, all of those games like these. Temple Run. This one, Subway Surfers. I really like them a lot and I'm really good. So. So my goal is today is trying to beat my high score that I have so far. So yeah. And if I do beat my high score, by then I'll probably end the video or do something. Oh, someone just texted me, but yeah, so. No! Those places always get me right there under the tunnels. I don't know why. I always die by there. Try again. I don't see anything in the shop. There's top runners. This is sorry. The top runs for the bronze is Carol, you know. Diamond, there's no one left in diamond. The gold is Raul. I know I'm not gonna get a gold, but and this is Peru, the World Tour Peru. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to beat my high score. And I'm so close to beating my score, 8,000 more. And you can see on the right side. No! You know what? Let me do it. No! Okay, well, I'm gonna open my bag. 1,000 coins, double up. I'm on video. I can get 2,000. Yep. Oh, forget it. My high score. So since I beat my high score, I'm gonna call out zombieman1008. My friend Omar, he has a YouTube channel. Go check his out, zombieman1008. If you haven't checked it out, and I'm calling him out to try to beat my high score, 19,011. So Zombieman Omar, Zombieman1008, I'm calling you out. Calling you out to make a video and try to beat my high score. So yeah guys, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.